I've been coming to Pep Talk for over 20 years. As Pep Talk has grown and brought in more topics, I've really enjoyed the diversity and the ability to come to San Diego for a whole week and see as much protein-related talks and networking, top-notch agenda, and excellent speakers. It's always been a great meeting. In fact, I would put it right at the top of meetings that I have enjoyed attending over my entire career.
I come here almost every year. I really enjoy the event. Why? It's a great mix of topics, really diverse. It's a great mix of people and there's ample of opportunity to network. And even better, over the years I've got to know so many people. It really feels like my family that I meet every year in January just after the Christmas break.
I'm having a great time at Pep Talk, not just because I'm seeing a lot of friends, but because my lab is actually moving into a lot of areas that Pep Talk is specializing on, a lot of machine learning techniques, a lot of biophysics, a lot of gene therapy. Even though I've been a professor for quite a while, I'm still learning a lot of new things, and that's a great pleasure.
The first Pep Talk meeting I went to was about 19 years ago. I'm here because I want to keep up with what's taking place. A lot has changed over the different years, and in coming to these meetings, I had this great opportunity to meet different friends and meet new friends in terms of seeing whether we can find ways to collaborate to make things better.
This is my first time coming to Pep Talk. I found it a refreshing experience, like the very intimate setting, really getting to know people, and especially curious about these buzz sessions and actually getting to talk about real issues in a lot of the spaces.
I am still getting my PhD at the University of Lethbridge. I found that Pep Talk has been a great balance of academia and industry, and it's allowed for lots of network connections and future possibilities for me.
Glad to be here. It's a very nice conference that I get to interact with lots of people, colleagues in academic labs and also different biotech companies.